B2 and B12 vitamins for vegans. B vitamins need to be present in your diet to order for your body utilizes them properly. Almost all B vitamins are in plant-based food, but B2 and B12 are harder to find in plant foods. You should include fortified components in your everyday vegan meals. Vitamin B12 controls the level of homocysteine. It is also necessary for the normal functioning of the brain. Microorganisms or biotics on the surface of plants and fruits are not destroyed by digestion. They are stored in the ileum, where they produce vitamin B12. B12 are important for you if you are a vegan. It is necessary to build blood cells and the vitamin participates in cell division. No plants or animals produce B12. Only bacteria make B12. People used to consume B12 from bacteria are on foods, but our foods are so cleaned and sterilized we cannot take B12 from food. Animal flesh has B12 because animal eats their food with bacteria and B12 accumulate in their flesh. Actually, in the human intestine bacteria produce B12. You should use fortified foods or B complexes. Vitamin B12 deficiency. B12 deficiency is not common, it can lead to anemia and nerve damage. Often B12 deficiency leads to fatigue. You can avoid these problems with the use of B12-rich food and supplementation if you regularly consume these products. Vitamin B12 deficiency is not always associated with veganism but is also common in meat eaters. The lack of this vitamin is associated with the lack of natural biotics living on the surface of plants. B2 is easier to find in vegan food. Riboflavin or B2 is important for your eyes, skin and cells energy. B2 and B12 in plant food. B12 are often added in some vegan products. 1. Fortified soy, rice, and hemp milk. 2. Fortified cereals. 3. Nutritional yeast flakes. 4. Fortified fake meats made from wheat, gluten and soy. These vegetable products contain B12. 1. Bacteria which produce vitamin B12 like to eat bananas. 2. Berries also increase vitamin B12 levels in intestine. 3. Artichoke increases the production of vitamin B12 and improves the digestive system. 4. The bow suppresses the growth of pathological microflora and promotes the production of vitamin B12 in the body. 5. Sprout and microgreen are an excellent source of above-ground biotics, thanks to which the body produces vitamin B12. 6. Potato or sweet potatoes destroy pathogenic bacteria and fungi in the intestine. Potato promotes the production of vitamin B12. 7. Ginger strengthens the immune system, destroys viruses, bacteria, and parasites, and increases the production of vitamin B12 in the body. 8. Lemon peppermint protects the vitamin B12 from exhaustion. 9. Aloe vera restores the ileum and helps to produce vitamin B12. 10. Honey contains highly digestible sugar and vitamin B12 coenzymes. 11. To get a daily dose of B12 consumes about 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast every day. These vegetable products contain B2. 1. Asparagus. 2. Almonds. 3. Bananas. 4. Brussels sprouts. 5. Nutritional yeast. 6. Broccoli. 7. Spinach. 8. Peas. 9. Soybeans. 10. Whole grains. 11. Wheat germ. 12. Wild rice. 13. Soy milk, fortified.